I wanted to share with you how this water mill actually works. So you have two different types. You have the horizontal water mill, and then you have the vertical. In the late and early Greek times, they had what was called the horizontal. All right, so the wheel is laying flat like this, and so they would actually kind of dam up the water way upstream. That way they could control how much water was being pushed down through this wheel. So we're actually going to kind of talk about letter F here, and then we'll go all the way to the top. So this here, F, this is the water that's going to flow through, and it's going to catch this wheel and make it turn. Well, then you have the drive shaft, okay, so very similar to what's on a car up here, and it actually spins and rotates this top stone, all right? This bottom one stays stationary. Well, the hopper, D, which is where you're going to pour in or where like the corn or grain is going to collect, and it's going to pour down into the hole that's in the top of the stone. And as the water is spinning the wheel and it turns the drive shaft, the stone is going to grind against the other stone. And then what's happening is you're breaking down or, smushing and crushing that grain or corn to the point where it makes flour, and then it will keep working around and keep grinding until it reaches over here to the output hopper, which is where the flour is going to collect. And this process is going to, keep going as forever and ever until there's no water that's being run through this horizontal water mill. A lot of times you have maybe seen the vertical one that's on the side of a building, and it just is put in the river, and the river's natural flow causes the wheel to spin. That comes later. The vertical water mill is actually way more efficient than the horizontal one. This one, the water flow isn't as great as if it was just using the natural water flow of a river.